Coming up, number 9, Knockout Babe. 8, Admiral Contender, Speedy Mackie. Last call, place your bets. All set, ready to race. And the race is on. Promise from the outside is Knockout Babe State. Witness also rushing up his Henna's Gold. It's now State Witness, followed by Knockout Babe in second. Henna's Gold running in third by running in fourth. Witness in Manila. Sangre del Tigre racing on the outside. Fifth, then comes Promise. Restless Heart, Senior Bon, Admiral Contender, Major, and Speedy Mackie. And inside the last 650, State Witness by Alenkena. Henna's Gold is running in second by Dral. Knockout Babe racing in third by about 3 lengths. Sangre del Tigre racing by Dral fourth. As they race the last 500, State Witness by about 2 lengths. Henna's Gold is running by Dral. As they race the final corner, State Witness by only Alenkena. Henna's Gold is done on the inside. Sangre del Tigre and Witness in Manila. And nearing the finish line, State Witness still the leader. Sangre del Tigre on the outside. Senor Bon on the further outside. And finally, Senor Bon. Sangre del Tigre close. Restless Heart, Promise, State Witness.